deal. All your herbal medicines, nice. Good morning, guys. So we're here in Chalansuk village. We're getting ready. The guide's explaining our tour over there. We just tied our sleeping bags to our bags and we're getting ready to set off on our 3-day hike. Well, the sun's getting bright. So today we're gonna hike about 5 or 6 hours before we find our camping spot, and tonight I believe we're gonna be making a jungle camp. Basically we're just gonna cut some bamboo leaves, make a small shelter, and sleep in sleeping bags on the ground in the jungle this evening. We have a small little bamboo lunch. We bought some things at the market today, so we'll cook dinner on the open fire tonight, probably in bamboo leaves or banana leaves and bamboo. So it'll be interesting. It's gonna be exciting. We're super pumped. How's everyone feel? Excited?
They need with a small bamboo stick.
Little rattan snack.
Use this one.
So this is a rattan tree. Our guy just cut one of the stems out here, the stalk, and we had a little taster. So he was saying, here, the stalk, the stem, we just ate some of that. That's the outside. When it gets up to about 20 meters long, this stem, they can use it to make furniture. They can use it to make furniture. That's why rattan in the Western world is so expensive, because you gotta wait for it to grow very long, and then it's quite a process to gather it and process it to make the furniture. But of course it lasts ages, so it's a really good thing. But here they commonly cut the young ones because inside, I guess you would call the soft fleshy part in the stalk, you can eat, and they use it a lot in soups, or you can eat it fresh or cook it, or boil it, grill it, however which way you want it. But we just had some. The first piece was really nice. Well, not nice, but it was good. It felt this fresh, soft. The second piece was a bit bitter, but still, I guess if you're in the jungle, you need to eat. You can eat. We still got another like 45 minutes of trekking before we stop for lunch. We'll have a nice local, well, freshly cooked on an open fire lunch. Should be really nice. Looking forward to it. I'm getting hungry, like pretty hungry. So for now, just keep walking. Just keep walking. So look where I'm going. The Viewpoint Restaurant.
So welcome to 2.5 star restaurant.
Luckily we made a reservation.
We're just gonna cook our fish.
Fish, bamboo shoots. Buffalo fat and eggplant. Bok choy.
And yes, chili paste.
Buffalo lop.
Be careful of chili paste.
Chili paste. Very hot. Riverweed.
And chili powder too.
Sticky rice.
Okay, bon appetit.
You gonna catch our meat for dinner tonight? Small squirrel. Wow!
Ready?
Yeah. Hey! Our house for the night. We've made it to our camp. Little bonfire. Our house. Survivor style. We made it, honey.
You did.
Woo! Oh yeah. Super tired. Take you guys on a tour real quick. We got the kitchen over here. The indoor kitchen. The guys' camp. I don't know, maybe another kitchen of some sorts out here. This is the island, the cooking island. Show you guys, take you guys to the bathroom and the shower. I think it's over here. Here. There's a shower. You know. Oh yeah. Hello. Natural shower. Whoa. Oh yeah.
That's how you leave the bucket.
Bucket shower. Wow. Very nice. You want to hang some clothes to dry. We got a VIP laundry service, 24 hours. 12 hours if you put it by the fire. Almost forgot the jungle toilet. Look at that, it's even got a seat.
Oh, wow.
I was expecting a squatter.
I need the toilet.
Imagine somebody had to carry that all the way out here. Like 6 hours hike. I mean, I'm sure there's probably a shortcut. There's got to be a shortcut.
I don't know.
A squatter. And it's not a squatter, I mean, sitter. It's a sitter. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Can you take this a second?
You go to the bathroom.
Yes.
Yeah, the bathroom.
Let's test it out. How do we do this? This is the door.
That's your security door.
I guess.
Yeah, you put it there. Yeah. Lock that in.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh no, wait. I think. There we go.
There you go, locked in. Don't worry, Sophie. Nobody can see you in there.
Oh yeah, actually.
It's okay. Nobody's gonna come over. Don't worry.